Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for a customized hair system that perfectly suits your needs, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of ordering a custom hair system from Lordhair. Let's get started. First, go to lordhair.com. Once you're there, click on the Custom button in the navigation bar. Then, click Customize Now to enter the customization page. Now, let's start customizing. The first option is base size. Choose the one that matches your hair loss area. Topper, great for partial hair loss. Full cap, best for full head coverage. Frontal, designed for those with a receding hairline. If you have a custom template, you can send it to us and we'll use its exact measurements. Next is base design. Here are your options. Send us your old hair system and we'll replicate it. Describe your design in the additional instructions section. Use the same base design as your last order. Choose from our ready-made base designs. Now, select your base material color. This should match your skin tone for a natural look. We offer multiple options, from flesh, light skin, to black, dark skin. Your front contour determines how the hairline looks. If you've sent us a template before, we can match it. Otherwise, you can send us a new one. This one's simple. Choose the hair length that suits your style. You can choose from various curl and wave patterns. If you're unsure, you can send us a hair sample and we'll match it. Important note, afro curls can only be made using Remy hair. Next, decide how you want your hair to flow. You can match your last order. Send us your old hair system for reference. For the perfect color match, you can send us a hair sample and we'll match it exactly. Want a more natural look? Add highlights. Here's how it works. Evenly blended. Colors are mixed evenly. Spot/dot. Colors appear in strands rather than blending. If you want a gradient effect, choose root color. A darker shade at the top, transitioning to a lighter one. You can customize the amount of gray hair in your system. Just pick your preferred percentage. For a more natural hairline, select bleach knots. But remember, thin skin bases cannot be bleached. Only lace and mono bases can. Choose your hair type, Remy, synthetic, etc., and density, light, medium, heavy. You can also match your previous order or send in an old hair system. We offer haircut services. You can choose a preset style, specify your desired length, email us a reference picture, upload a photo of your desired look. Need it faster? Select an expedited production option for quicker delivery. If you're sending a template or hair sample, opt for our pickup service for a hassle-free experience. Have any special requests? Add them to the additional instructions section. And if you have questions, our customer service team is happy to help. Once you've made all your selections, click Add to Cart. Double-check your details in the cart before placing your order. And that's it. Ordering your customized hair system is super easy.